Welcome to our home care and I&I laboratory. This is an invaluable support hub for our customers. Here, we work together in developing and refining solutions in laundry care, dishwash, and surface cleaning. Above all, it's a place to test ideas that will create real everyday value. We always strive to exceed industry standards, and that often starts with our RotaWash. It helps to ensure the quality of our laundry application work and is ideal for screening enzyme performance, dye transfer inhibition, or soil release tests. Our 8 Miele washing machines allow us to replicate day-to-day household experiences when testing our solutions, perfect for assessing the washing and conditioning performances. To prove that last night's creme brulee is no match for market-leading cleaning formulations, we use our 3 Miele automatic dishwashers, offering clear confirmation whilst following IKW protocol. With our Sheen machine, we mimic scrubbing different types of surfaces, testing the performance of our surface care solutions on different soils. In our climate chamber, we have a constant humidity and temperature at any time. This enables us to carry out several tests under standardized conditions. It is especially essential to our sensorial panel on fabric softeners. Reliable performance data is at the heart of everything we do. Our customers can rely on comprehensive reports that provide a transparent evaluation of every single product. From the initial idea through to the final evaluation, we continue to improve daily life around the world, creating competitive advantages and growth opportunities for our customers and partners.